video would be solving quadratic inequalities. So just like the linear inequalities, we're going to solve the quadratic. So we're going to treat this like an equal sign and solve the quadratic, and then draw the graph to find the values for x. So here, if I just solve this quadratic, I have x here. So two numbers times give me 24 and 11, 8 and 3, minus 8 minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 3. So we draw our graph. It just has to be a rough sketch. So x is equal to 8 and 3, so 8 and 3 and 8, sorry. And we'll draw our quadratic. Now here it says the quadratic is less than 0. So I'm just gonna draw this, shade it in green. So it's talking about all of this line here, less than 0, just up to here. Therefore our answer is x is greater than 3 but less than 8. And because it's not equal to, we just leave it as that. It's less than, so it's less than. Yeah. Okay, so same thing on the other one. This one just need to rearrange first. So I have x squared plus 3x minus 10 is less than or equal, less than 0. So now I just solve this quadratic. So I have x, it's going to be 5 and 2 equals 0. I'm going to have a plus 5 minus 2. So x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to 2. So again, I'm going to draw my graph. I have minus 5 on this side and 2. Again, remember it's just a rough sketch. Boom, do it here like this. Again, we go back to the inequality. X squared plus 3x minus 10 is less than 0. So this will be colored in. So the value of x is in between. Let's just put a equal sign here. Let me just change the question. So therefore my answer is going to be minus 3 is x is greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 2. So it's every number in between here in this range. Okay, and the last one here, I could straight factorize this. So I'm going to take out x. I'm left with 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x equals 0 and x equals minus 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So I'll draw my graph again. I have 0 here. Let's say this is 1, 2. So my graph's gonna look something like this. Yep, something like that. Whatever sketch. And now go back to the inequality. It says the inequality is greater than 0. So therefore it is greater than is all of this, and it stops there, and all of that side. So everything from the graph done a bit wrong. So I'm just gonna go back. It should be like this. So it should be a negative 1.5. So the graph should look like this. So as I was saying, the inequality is greater than 0. So it's every number below minus 1.5 to infinity, minus infinity, and every number greater than 0 to infinity. Therefore we write x is greater than 0 and x is less than minus 1.5. Okay, so we write in two separate inequalities. X is greater than 0 or x is less than minus 1.5. And that's it for linear inequalities. It's important to draw the graph so you understand what the range you're using. Okay.